now at Sumo Sam. I'm with YouTube sensation, YouTube sensation, sir, and Jomie Hospital. And we haven't had lunch yet, so yes, I ordered something and he ordered a lot. So check out our lunch. Sa gigutom yun kayo ng mga amigo. Anawag ko diyang i-order.
Okay guys, gagawin kayo ko sa ramen.
Murang ni kuha kang kaunong pila ka. Murang kuha kang kaunong pila ka buwan.
Saan rin ka pulot? Uy, hindi pa nawag mo.
Watch out Cebu na ibang food vlogger. Si Jomie Restaurant. Ako na yung pangalan. Jomie Restaurant.
Pero lagay na ito, square.
Awa na, tanawa na. Mag-flat lay na siya. Can you imagine Jomie Hospital doing flat lay? Ooh, watch out, watch out.
As in, ako doing normal sa
That's Jomie's welcome meal here in Cebu. Yes.
So, mani vlog section.
Yeah.
Video po si Carlo ay.
Yeah, akong gibidyoan si Jomie kay talaon ako, bigutom ba yun siya. Yeah, we're so full and I think we didn't finish what we ate. Jomie ordered so much, too much. Sobra kayo. Abi na ko gigutom siya, gamay man ninigkaon tawanan.
Hindi ko na ko ga-expect. Nagkakita ko kaya survey.
Abi niya, Manila prices ang Cebu. But here, yeah, barato din here. Yeah, so not bad. Not bad Sumo Sam. Sumo, we don't have Sumo appetite, but yeah, it was Sumo servings. So you're a fan of Jomie?
Yes.
So what video did you like most?
Imong mama. Kasi sa mga bayo.
Wow, so kailan yun day mong Jomie? Yeah. So nga na madlock man mo dool. Hindi na siya mo reject. So yeah, I'm talking to Jomie's fans. What's your name?
Jalen.
Maya, Jalen, Mission. Ano mo yung mga klase, ha?
Ay, manana.
They're actually cutting classes.
No.
Just to follow Jomie around in Ayala. Oh no, I'm just kidding. So where do you study?
University of Cebu.
So the kids got their wish granted, so why not?